When it comes to creating engaging product descriptions for your e-commerce store, choosing the right AI writing tool is crucial. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two heavyweights in the industry, Copy.ai versus Copysmith. Both promise to streamline your content creation, but which one is actually better for e-commerce product descriptions? Stick around to find out, because we'll be breaking down their features, performance, and ultimately, recommending the one that can help you take your product pages to the next level. First things first, let's talk about user experience. Copy.ai offers a sleek, intuitive interface that's easy to get the hang of, even if you're not a tech expert. You can get started with just a few clicks, and it has a variety of templates, including e-commerce specific ones. It's great if you're looking to quickly generate descriptions for your store. However, while it's user-friendly, it can feel a little too basic for users looking for more in-depth customization. Next, we have Copysmith, which takes a slightly different approach. It also offers an easy-to-use interface, but with more flexibility when it comes to the level of detail you can tweak in your outputs. If you're running a larger store with more complex products, Copysmith might feel more customizable and powerful, but it can be a bit more overwhelming at first, especially if you're just starting out and don't want to get bogged down by too many options. The third thing we need to look at is content quality. Copy.ai excels in generating natural-sounding descriptions that are brief and to the point. It does a great job with short, catchy descriptions that grab attention quickly, which is vital for e-commerce. However, if you need something more detailed or long-form, you might find Copy.ai's outputs a bit lacking in depth. It tends to deliver descriptions that are somewhat general, making it better suited for simple products or when you need content fast. On the flip side, Copysmith offers a more robust output, especially for longer and more technical product descriptions. It provides a solid starting point with more structure, and it does a good job with longer form content. While Copy.ai shines in simplicity, Copysmith tends to give you descriptions with more substance. The downside? The quality can be hit or miss. While it's usually on point, there are instances where you might need to tweak the copy to make it sound more like your brand. The fourth thing worth considering is price and value. Both tools offer free trials, which is great if you want to test them out before committing. Copy.ai's pricing is generally considered a bit more affordable, making it a solid choice for smaller businesses or solo entrepreneurs. But Copysmith offers more value at higher tiers with features designed for larger teams or businesses that need scale, such as bulk content generation. Lastly, we have the AI technology and customization. Copy.ai has solid AI technology, but when it comes to customization, it's somewhat limited. You're basically working within a set of templates, which can feel restrictive for some users. Copysmith, on the other hand, allows more flexibility in how you fine-tune your copy. However, it also requires more input and guidance from the user to get the best results, making it a little more hands-on. Both of these tools are solid, but after trying both of them, I have to say there's a better alternative for e-commerce product descriptions. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, ease of use, content quality, and customization, check out the link in the description below. With our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits that are only available to you as a viewer. So, why settle for Copy.ai versus Copysmith when you could have a tool that offers all the advantages you need?